So today, guys, we're going to make some quick and easy blackened salmon. We're going to throw it in the oven and it cooks in about 10 minutes. So for your seasoning, you're going to need some smoked paprika, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, a little black pepper, some dried thyme, and dried oregano. You're going to mix that up and set it aside. Now in a separate bowl, you're going to need some melted butter, and you're also going to need to cut up a few lemon slices. So here I have my cod. I'm not using fresh cod, I'm using frozen cod. So it has a lot of excess water in it. So you want to take a paper towel if you're using frozen cod and dab some of that extra water out of it. Now here I'm going to go ahead and arrange my lemon slices on my baking sheet. If my fish is a little bit bigger, I'm using 2 slices. If it's small, I'm using 1 slice. So that's why it looks like I'm doing extra on this baking sheet. So you're going to go ahead and take your fish and you're going to dip it in your melted butter on both sides. And then you're going to take your fish and you're going to lay it, well, you want to let the extra butter drip off. And then you're going to take your fish and you're going to lay it in that seasoning on one side only. And you're going to go ahead and lay your fish across your lemon slices, seasoned side up. So you're just going to roll your fish in your melted butter. Dip it in the seasoning on one side. And set it on the lemon seasoned side up. So now we're just going to pop it in the oven at 450 and we're going to let it bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. And when it's done, you have a delicious, so flavorful piece of fish, you guys. It's nice and juicy, flaky, yum. I need to say that again, yum.